Did you know that the smallest actions often leave the strongest impression? It's rarely the expensive gifts, dramatic speeches, or carefully crafted image that stay in someone's mind. More often, it's the subtle moments that create lasting memories. A thoughtful gesture, genuine attention, or quiet kindness can keep a woman thinking about you long after you've gone. Many men underestimate these little moments because they seem ordinary, yet they're often the foundation of trust, attraction, and emotional connection. When your actions consistently show care and respect, they communicate far more than words ever could. In today's video, we'll explore several simple habits that many women genuinely appreciate, along with one common mistake that gradually weakens attraction, even in relationships that seem to be going well. Stay until the end because the final point could completely change the way you think about building a healthy relationship. Welcome back to Women's Psychology Ideas, where we explore relationship dynamics, communication, and the psychology behind meaningful connections. Today, we're discussing 7 thoughtful behaviors that many women value, even if they don't always mention them directly. If you've ever wondered what helps create a stronger emotional connection, this video is for you. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video if you enjoy topics like this. Your support helps the channel continue creating more content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments by typing 1 if you agree with these ideas, or 0 if you see things differently. And if you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos. Let's begin with something simple but incredibly meaningful: thoughtful physical affection. For many women, gentle physical contact is about emotional comfort rather than romance alone. A relaxing shoulder massage after a stressful day, or softly rubbing her back while she unwinds can communicate care without saying a single word. The goal isn't perfection, it's making her feel supported. Move slowly, pay attention to her comfort, and let the moment feel natural instead of rushed. The second habit is playful, respectful flirting. Some people believe flirting ends once a relationship becomes serious, but healthy couples often continue showing affection in small, lighthearted ways. A sincere compliment, genuine eye contact, or a warm smile can remind her that she's still admired and appreciated. Respectful flirting keeps the relationship feeling alive without crossing personal boundaries. Next is gently playing with her hair, when she's comfortable with it. Hair can be a very personal part of someone's space, so this gesture should only happen when trust already exists. During a peaceful moment, such as relaxing together or watching a movie, softly brushing her hair away from her face can create a feeling of closeness. The secret isn't the action itself, it's knowing when it's welcome and making sure it feels natural. Another meaningful gesture is placing your hand lightly on the middle of her back while walking together. It's a small action that often communicates reassurance and presence. Rather than trying to control the situation, it quietly says, "I'm with you." When done respectfully and in the right setting, this simple gesture can make shared moments feel more connected. The fifth point is being dependable during difficult times. Real attraction isn't only built during happy moments, it grows when someone knows they can rely on you. Being calm during challenges, listening without judgment, and offering practical support when she's overwhelmed often leaves a much stronger impression than dramatic promises. Reliability creates trust, and trust strengthens relationships. Another surprisingly meaningful habit is sharing positive thoughts about her. For example, mentioning that she appeared in one of your dreams, or telling her that something reminded you of her can make her feel valued. These comments should always be genuine rather than rehearsed. Authenticity is what makes them meaningful. The 7th point is taking care of your appearance. Confidence isn't determined by whether you have a beard or follow a particular style. What matters most is cleanliness, good grooming, and wearing clothes that suit you. Looking after yourself sends the message that you respect yourself, and that confidence is often more attractive than trying too hard to impress. Finally, never underestimate the power of a sincere hug. A warm embrace at the right moment can communicate comfort, affection, and emotional security more effectively than a long conversation. Small expressions of affection, when they are mutual and welcome, help strengthen the bond between two people over time. At the end of the day, lasting relationships aren't built on grand performances. They're built on consistency, respect, kindness, and genuine attention to the little things.